Students, welcome to Srigandhi Maths Academy. SJ Srigandhi is here. In this lecture, we are going to learn a new topic of algebra of matrices, that is addition of matrices. Let me see in details. Addition of two matrices. If A and B are two matrices, if A and B are two matrices, then addition of these two matrices is denoted by A plus B and is obtained by adding corresponding elements of both matrix A and B, both matrix A and matrix B. Okay, also we write here, also the matrix addition is done only when order of both matrices are same. Okay, if A and B are two matrices, then addition of these two matrices is denoted by A plus B and is obtained by adding corresponding elements of both matrix A and matrix B. The matrix addition is done only when order of both matrices are same. Means what? If you have to given two matrices, then we add them only when the first matrix and the second matrix both have the same order. That is, matrix A has 2 rows and 2 columns, and when matrix B has 2 rows and 2 columns, or matrix A is of order 3 by 3 and also matrix B is of order 3 by 3. Let us we see by taking example. Okay, let A equal to matrix 1 2 3 4 having order 2 by 2 and matrix B is equal to entries 2 4 3 1 of order 2 by 2. Now let us see, we have matrix A is equal to matrix 1 2 3 4 and B equal to matrix having entries 2 4 3 1. Now A has 2 rows and 2 columns, therefore matrix A is of order 2 by 2. Similarly, matrix B has 2 rows and 2 columns, therefore matrix B is also of order 2 by 2. Now here we have to add these two matrices A and B. Let us see how to add. Okay, therefore addition of these two matrices is given by A plus B is equal to, now what is matrix A equal to this matrix and B equal to this matrix. Therefore in place of A we put this matrix and in place of B we put this matrix. Okay, therefore A plus B equal to entries 1 2 3 4 plus, okay, matrix B is 2 4 3 1. Now here we have to add these two matrices, therefore we add the corresponding elements of these two matrices, that is A11, okay, A11, A12, A12, A21, A21, A22, A22. Okay, therefore A plus B equal to 1 plus 2, okay, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 1. That is, here we add the corresponding elements of both matrices. Okay, A11 plus A11, A12 plus A12, A21 plus A21, A22 plus A22. Now this of order 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Clear? Now this is equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 2 plus 4 equal to 6, 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, means to add the two matrices having same order, we add the corresponding elements of both matrices. Clear? Therefore 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 2 plus 4 equal to 6, 3 plus 3 equal to 6, and 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Clear? Therefore A plus B equal to the matrix having entries 3, 6, 6, 5. And here we observe that the matrix A has order 2 by 2, matrix B has also order 2 by 2, and after adding these two matrices A and B, the obtained new matrix is also of order 2 by 2. Therefore from it we conclude that if A and B is of same order, then the addition of these two matrices A plus B is also their same order. Clear? This is all about this concept, addition of two matrices. Write down in your notebook.